In this video, we are making a cheddar Parmesan broccoli soup. It is ketogenic, it is low carb, it is gluten-free. No matter what diet you're on, it is just good comfort food. This is one of my by far one of my favorites. They love it. You should love it. I hope you enjoy the video. Have a good one. Enjoy this recipe. Ow, ow.
Don't wait up or down. Don't be smart, right up. Don't wait up or down. Don't be smart, right up. On that pain. Don't wait up or down. Do that to pain you down. Don't be smart, right up. Be on it. Right up. Don't wait up or down. Do that to pain you down. Don't be smart, right up. Be on it. Right up. Don't wait up or down. Do that to pain you down. Don't be smart, right up. Be on it. Right up. Don't wait up or down. Do that to pain you down. Don't be smart, right up. Be on it. Right up. Don't wait up or down. Do that to pain you down. Don't be smart, right up. Be on it. Right up. Don't wait up or down. Do that to pain you down. Don't be smart, right up. Be on
It is taste test time. First, we got to top it off with some bacon. This is a strip of bacon I just crumbled up. So good on top. I've made this before, so I already know this is going to be awesome. We've had people over for football, and it was definitely a crowd pleaser. Even if you're not doing keto, broccoli cheddar Parmesan soup is the bomb. Yeah. Right, Chase? It's so good. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you'd like to see more recipes like this, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon. The bell icon will give you a notification every time I upload a new video or recipe. All right? Much love and rock and roll.